good friend.
How are you?
I called you for a purpose. Yes.
Oh yes, but it's okay. You do not need to talk too much. You know, you're already having a high blood pressure. Calm down.
I know. What my wife did today is the reason I called you.
Okay.
Yes, she was exchanging her nude photograph with a young man.
No! What?
They've been having appointments and dates every now and then.
No!
The painful thing there, Grace has been spending my money on the young man. Grace wants me dead. And she also said...
No.
I don't get you at all. Is it that you don't want him to be king? Don't you want him to rule this kingdom?
That is not what I mean.
Then what do you mean?
Actually, I'm not against him being the king of this kingdom. But you have to warn the prince. He has to be warned.
Warn the prince?
Yes.
About what?
The prince almost slept with my daughter.
What?
Yes. You know, I impregnated you when you were newly married to His Royal Majesty.
Bring your voice down. Someone might hear you.
I will. So, the two of them, the prince and my daughter, are the same blood. Such cannot happen between the two of them. So you need to warn the prince or you do the needful.
But I thought you said you sent your daughter to Lagos to learn a trade.
Yes, I did. But she ran back to the village. Today the prince came looking for her in my house. So warn him or you do the needful.
You have to leave this palace right now.
I will.
I will send money across to you. Send your daughter out of this kingdom. I don't care where you are sending her to, but make sure she goes out of this kingdom. I will send money across to you.
That's
Leave
all right.
now.
Okay. I knew it! I knew it! Oh no!
My very good friend. Now that you know that Mefuna is not my son, do not, I repeat, do not allow him to ascend my throne. Do not. And as for this ring, this is the symbol of the authority of my throne, of this kingdom. Give it to Kongo. Take.
Okay. I will do exactly as you have said.
Make sure that it is a Kongo.
Obiora, name whatever you want, and I shall give it to you in a platter of gold. I am a rich prince. Go ahead, just name it.
Prince, with all due respect, CHIKAIMA here is my girlfriend. She's everything I have.
Prince, this is where you talk and I get that CBO. I know say you use your car, assist us, go carry my brother from the evil forest. Thank you so much, we appreciate you. But I dey in love with my man. You come late. I no go fit leave my man for you. I cannot trade my heart for anything in this world. I too love this man, no. I take God beg you.
Prince, you heard her, loud and clear. I know I might not be up to your standard. But you see this woman here? I will never trade her for anything.
Wow. I see.
Prince, I know say you tell me say your princess cheats on you with one prince, that make una break up. I feel your pains. I pity for you. Sorry, I no go fit leave this man for you. I no go fit leave him because say you be prince. It's not possible. Please move on with your life. Forget about me. God go give you another girl wey go better pass the one wey leave you, yeah?
It's okay. Prince, I think we need to go. Thanks for your time.
Elena.
Your Highness, Your Majesty.
It is true what they say. You come to this palace.
No, yes, no.
Who is your friend here?
The queen. Yes, my mother asked me to deliver some golds. Some golds.
You cheap whore! What are you doing in my house?
My queen.
Have I not told you not to show your ugly face here again?
Your Majesty,
What are you doing?
Your Majesty, please. King Williams is here. I don't want him to hear you. Please bring your voice down, I beg you.
Oh, you want it? You don't want it to...
Oh, my queen, please. I beg you.
Not without a price. Nothing goes for nothing.
I need you to do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just tell him my mother sent me to you to deliver some goals.
Oh yeah, you want it to lie?
Please.
Not without a price.
I'm begging you, okay? Whatever, name it.
Give me 10 million naira. Please. Are you ready? No!
No. Okay, 5 million. 5 million, please.
Transfer it immediately.
Okay.
Access Bank.
Okay, please let me have your account.
00.
Okay.
42.
Okay.
43.
Okay.
25.
Okay.
89.
Okay. Access. Okay.
I have not received that letter. You have to wait till I confirm.
I've done it.
Good. Nice doing business with you.
Please help me, I beg you.
Life is sweet. Just 5 million naira like that. Oh, nice.
You are a disgrace to royalty. You are a disgrace to womanhood. And you are a disgrace to the pride and dignity of every woman.
Are you done? Are you done, Mr. King Waka Waka? Is your palace chasing you? Why is it that every time you will come to my palace trying to poke nose into affairs that does not concern you? What is your problem? Can't you stay at a place?
Listen, woman. Not that the vultures are scared of the big cats. No, but they wait patiently to see them die and get littered everywhere in the bush. And they bust their stomach open and feed on them. Your lifestyle stinks!
It stinks just like your daughter-in-law to be, who sleeps around with everybody, every man.
Shut up, woman! Shut up!
She sleeps with my son and still advised to be your son's wife.
You are talking to the king! Say king! And I'm not like your husband! Your husband that you trample upon everywhere!
Don't shut me up!
You are worthless!
To shut me up!
Let me tell you one thing. The time is near!
You can talk.
The time is near!
I'm queen! And
then I want to... Can you just calm down? Can you calm down? What is all this?
Shut the hell up! Shut up, Afam! You caused all this. I told you I didn't want to follow you to the palace, but you dragged me. You dragged me like a lamb ready to be slaughtered. What's all this? I mean, why am I so foolish and stupid around you? God damn it! I don't even trust your mother. She might spew out shit. God!
Babe, I said you should calm down. Can you calm down? Listen, my mom is not even like that. My mom, once you tip her, she will shut her mouth up. Okay? She can keep your secret. Stop all this, please. You're pissing me off. I don't like it. Huh? What's that?
You know what? I am done. I am done.
You what?
I've messed up enough. I mean, at this point, my head is not even thinking straight. I am done, Afam.
Listen to me. I am the director here. So I will cut the shot whenever I want. You are done. You can't be done. You will cut the shots. No, you can't do that. I am the director here. So I will cut it whenever. Oh my goodness.
Our son saw this from the beginning, but you never listened to him. Look at what is happening now. Look at it. How can he be sleeping with our future daughter-in-law? How? When he told you, we're almost kicking him out of this palace.
I am angry. Very angry, woman. I can't believe what that stupid, dirty queen said about Elena. And when I saw her, the guilt was written all over her. She was broken.
My king, I will advise we pipe low at this point. Let's pretend like We don't know anything that is happening. That's the best thing to do.
Yes, Commissioner. I want him to be released with immediate effect. Yes. Do that right away. My dear.
Yes, my queen.
Go home. Your father will meet you there.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you so much. Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Everything will be alright.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you so much. May the gods bless you. Thank you.
You may take your leave now.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
If you step on it here, I will order my girls to bundle you inside the car. How dare you? Have you forgotten that I'm the comprince of this kingdom? Huh?
Why they shout like mad person? I know that you be the prince of this kingdom. What's it going to happen? See, as I did like this, I'm not there in this mood at all. You see this message from my hand, I go buy it for my brother. We just rescue him from one evil forest now. I don't understand what make you they shout. What be your problem? What be your own?
CHIKAIMA, I said I want to make you my wife. My queen. Go and tell your father that I'm coming for you.
I said I tell the big queen. You don't ask whether you be my spec. You go ask me first, say what be your spec. Oga, you not be my spec. I can never be your queen. You can never be my man. I get my man, oh, my own boyfriend, what I love. You not fit in. You don't whine. What I want use you do?
Say that to my face again.
I say, CHIKAIMA, Okonkwo Precious, not go fit marry you, not by force.
What? Sen? CHIKAIMA?
Oh, wait. Let me you slap. You dey mad. Bomb to your head. Oh, try him again, no. No, enter you.
CHIKAIMA.
Look at this fool.
You dare slap me?
Get out. I'm gonna beat you again. Don't you go beat you. I'm gonna beat you again, Oga.
CHIKAIMA, you dare slap me?
Get out.
Guards! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! You dare slap me?
Now, Papa! Try him now! Try him! Hey! Nine, Chubafa! Run after them! Chineke, what is this? From one problem to another, what is happening? Uchenna! Hey! Uchenna! I go scatter your brain. I go send you message, go be your stupid guy, you're mad!
Don't kill me, please.
What is going on?
My God, Abio.
Why am I going to buy you? Are you the same Kobe?
No!
Oh! Allow me make I finish this guy.
You people have mind to chase my daughter! You challenge church of fools! Don't worry, I'll be coming to the palace!
No! You don't let this boy run now.
If I allow you to do this, you will go to jail.
I don't care. Make I go there. Today when they see jail.
Don't worry, let's go inside.
I for kill this boy now.
It's okay, let's go inside.
Now that prince is my target. If I catch that prince and farm, he go be for him. Now go hear this cause, you go see him.
Just calm down.
Let's go.
Mama tell her I no go fit be queen. Now it hear me slap. I tear and slap back, oh. Sure.
Kidney. Hey, you did what to that friend?
My daughter, I am so proud of you. In fact, I am proud of what you did to him. We'll be waiting for them, including the mother. Let them come here. I'm so proud of you.
Hey, this is a good about.
Hear me slap. My eye told me for 2 seconds. My eye come the red. Sure, now by force to marry.
He asked the guards to go after you.
Let me they pursue me now.
This is ridiculous.
Nine, you so good about. I know that prince very well. He will come with all his warriors.
You will not do anything. Now by force to marry, you will do nothing. Nah, cut of them.
How dare you! Prince. Shut up! Are you mad? Just imagine! Ordinary CHIKAIMA, you cannot get and bring her to my palace!
My prince, she attacked us with her father's gun.
Oh!
Yes, my prince.
Yeah. Oh, really? And you cannot do anything! Go! Shut up! You cannot do anything! Shut up! Shut up!
Build higher!
Shut up!
No. Don't. Look at this useless guards. What are you here for? Her father chased you and attacked you with a cutlass?
Yes, my queen.
The daughter chased and attacked you with a gun? Good! You see, these people, they're supposed to be banished and sent out of my kingdom. I will have to get them arrested. This nonsense should stop. So you allowed them to go. When they attacked my son, is it not better you die in the process of trying to bring them here than coming here empty-handed?
Nonsense!
So where are you going to?
Going to put the bullet on her head!
What are you still doing here? Get out! Get out of here! Stupid children! What is the meaning of this? Huh?
The king is not responding, he's not moving.
And what do you want me to do? Stupid girl! We are talking about my girl, you are talking about a dying king! Nonsense! Stupid people! Huh?
Guards! Guards! Where's the cutlass? Where's the cutlass? Now open this car! Nonsense!
Doctor, tell me, please, tell me what is wrong with my friend. Is he all right? Is he still breathing? Eh? Doctor, come on, talk to me now. I need to know. What is happening? Oh, yes. Oh, I'll be on my way now.
My lord, I hope all is well.
I have to leave now. I have to go.
What is it? What is about the call?
Igwe Dickland is not feeling well. I need to go now, and it's very important. Please, tell the guy to get me the car key.
Okay. Guard!
Hello?
My king.
Yes.
I'm sorry. We've lost him.
Hey! No!
My good friend. My good friend.
Where is CHIKAIMA, your daughter? Where is she?
You cannot come to my house and threaten me and my daughter. You cannot.
I tell you. You try and your body, dead body go surplus, you go collect.
CHIKAIMA, you tell me!
I dare you, you be! You be stupid priest levels. I be this cat they deceive you. You dey show me gun without use for car for throw away. You dey whine. Oga, if you shoot, distance go end now. I know they whine you.
Prince Afamea, leave my compound this minute. You are the one invading my house. You will not like what will be the end. Leave this minute.
And I will kill you for giving birth to a despicable daughter in my kingdom.
Oga, yes. Oga, see, you got to kill everybody who went here because we're there ready for you. But carry out for me and say you go join us. You be mad?
Where you? Man, play you. I know they cap nonsense. I know they cap dust. Go ask questions. Everywhere for this community, I know well. You dey hear me? If you shoot, the bullet go affect your mama Aje.
You don't want no, because please. CHIKAIMA, please. Because somebody, everybody come on.
Prince, what is going on? Drop that gun. Your father is dead in the palace. And you are here practicing God. My father is what? Yes, he's dead in the palace. And you are trying to kill his subject. Are you drunk?
You know what? I am coming back for all of you.
Leave this place. Leave the... You know, is he dead?
Igwe is dead. I'm coming from there now. Just to inform you about this commotion.
Nidhi, you know, Igwe is dead.
Yes.
Hey.
But why didn't you call me? Why? Oh, tell me.
Please, Biko, do you know where we can run to? Because this kingdom is no longer safe for I and my family. It's no longer safe for us. First, it was Ezemo. He vanished my son to an evil forest. Now, the prince is threatening to kill my daughter. He wants to kill her.
Mama, nobody go fit kill me, you don't whine. Nobody go fit try am. And then they come out go anywhere. We know they go anywhere. We pin. No leave, no transfer. This is my papa house. Why I go come out from this place? If that priest get mind, if you know say craze there, make it put body. If blood go surplus, dead body go surplus, mama. I know they whine, no.
Mama, I need more food.
Shut up there your mouth. We are here discussing about something so scary that happened today, and you are saying that you need more food. Give already.
Mom, person gets to chop belle food not ready for the war. I go carry empty stomach the fight.
Which war? Also, which war? You don't hear that war. You are always doing war. But while I'm going on one,
Mama, give my brother food, make it chop.
Oh, wow.
But we no go come out from this place now, Sabi. We're not going anywhere.
This is getting out of hands. Where is your father?
I go wine. Excuse you? I don't understand. Please get out of my way. I need to go into my man's room and rest. It's been a long day, okay?
If I say madness, they worry you. They call it mental. Are you an idiot? It meant.
How dare you?
Okay.
No, how dare you talk to me like that? Have you gone nuts? Are you mad or something? What's the meaning of that? Do you know I can tell the king to get you fired?
It don't run finish.
What is this?
It don't run finish. Eh? You see this chamber? If you enter your mouth, bang, make a Diana. Come pass now. If your ghost can come enter.
Wait. Ijoma.
Now my name be that. You see, we don't hear your score so. It dey rain like ocean everywhere. See, you see this house? Come enter, make us see.
Wait, what is going on here? What's happening? Wait, an ordinary maiden talking to me like this? A dirty, stinking, stupid maiden talking to me anyhow? Have you gone nuts?
Now that stinking maiden, I mount guard for here. I don't mount. Come pass now. If you rant finish, if you speak English finish, come enter, make us see. Now here, come pass. Just come pass. Your scores they smell, oh. It smell everywhere. Not try me, oh. I go design your face. You see this hand, eh? I go even design your face. You go faint 10 times for you. Just try me. Just do small close up now. You go yara.
Let me call my man.
You don't now so. Come pass.
Ijoma, is this a joke or something?
Ijoma na my name. Now action speaks louder than voice. I dey on mount guard.
Why
like
is he not
this.
even picking?
I ain't go pick now.
Why is he not taking my calls? Vivian, please take your calls. Hey, baby. Your Majesty.
How did you get in here?
Thank God you're here. Can you imagine? This ordinary maiden. Imagine what she said to me.
What did she say to you?
Like she stopped me from entering the palace. And I was asking her who gave her that instruction. I mean, she embarrassed me. Your Majesty, no one has ever embarrassed me like that.
Shut the hell up! You know what embarrassment is? Oh, you know what embarrassment is? And you want to bring shame to this palace? How dare you?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
I never knew you were she-goat.
Your Majesty, you need to...
Shut up! If there's anyone to be dealt with, it's you. Because you're shameless. After all we did for you, after how we treated you, I took you like my daughter. But you chose to embarrass us.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
You're sorry for what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Wait, you know what I'm talking about. Listen to me. You're going to go with me there to throw Princess Helena out of this palace. I don't ever want to see her in this palace.
Yes, my queen.
If I see her here, consider yourself fired. Follow me.
Now, please take your course. Vivian, take your course. Your Majesty.
Dad, throw this shameless idiot out of this palace this minute.
My queen, please.
Out!
You can't do
I
this.
said out! You
Outside,
shameless
outside.
she-goat!
Use the gate.
Out!
Use the gate.
My queen, please.
Move! Shameless fool!
My queen. Hey, he doesn't know.
Can you come and bring embarrassment to this great palace? Nonsense!
Hey, take it easy, okay?
Come out. They go. Useless princess.
He doesn't know.
You are a disgrace to reality. They go. Ashawo.
You have been showing yourself. You have been fired. They go. Yala.
They go. Go.
What do I tell my mother?
It's very wicked. It's very wicked here.
God, how do I tell my mother this is not happening? This is not happening to me. This is not happening to me. How do I tell my mother she's going to disown me?
How come? Not possible. All my efforts on that girl failed to cook. How come? She shamed me, disgraced me. She put all my efforts to disgrace. How possible? Shisom. Shisom. Shisom, what is wrong with you? Shisom. Shisom. What is it?
Bobo.
Eh? What is it?
The herbs you gave to me.
What about it?
In order to remove the child in my womb.
What about it? Shisom! 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 Hey! I have killed my daughter. I have killed my daughter. Hey! Shisom! 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 Hey! 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 Chisom! Chisom! Hey. Hey!
Me, I mount, oh. I dey wait for that prince. I dey like this. I don't mount men for bush. That prince don't say people don't like him for this kingdom. One take, he go down. If he do any, I go collect. I mount my guard. Nobody go fit take me on that way. Nobody go fit comot me from my papa. My papa house be this.
Well, I put it to you, the prince is not coming back here again. Okay, so relax your mind.
How you take no? Person where wrong go in palace because he hear say papa die. They go crown and nana so that go fit bury papa. You don't know.
CHIKAIMA, I know the tradition. Whenever a king dies, yes, the son automatically ascends the throne before the king's body will be moved from the palace to the morgue. I am aware of that.
You know, Siam. Let me say he go come as king Afam, no longer prince Afam. No. Ha. Let me say this my mountain go strong. Why? Because I know say once he become king, he go gather men. I don't want make anybody take me unaware. Let me say you come enter, my papa come and now come take us unaware, come pack me and my family come out. I don't agree. Oh. But all of us go die. All die now die. If you no feel wait, if you go shop, oh.
No, I'm going nowhere. I'm going to stay here with you, all right? But be rest assured that that young man is not coming back here again, all right? Not even as a king.
What do you mean he's not coming back as a king? How?
Whatever my spirit tells me, I say it the way he is. I don't see him becoming the king of this land.
I don't understand what you did. That boy is the only son, though. Who will come become king?
Okansije. Is this how I'm going to die? I killed my only daughter. My only daughter. Chisom, please. Chisom.
Papa, you killed me.
Please. I was only trying
You
to...
are not doing anything.
Please.
You are wicked.
Chisom, please.
You killed your only child, Papa. Your only daughter, Papa.
Chisom, please. I was only trying to...
Hi. The Ghana. The great Iroko has fallen.
The lion! My friend Igwe Declan left a message for the entire kingdom. I shall give you that message. The lion!
He's gone. The Ghana.
He's gone.
Oh.
Let's go see the message.
Papa!
You are wicked. You are a wicked man. You killed your child. Your only daughter, Papa.
Hey, Grace, stop that! What were you thinking when you were insulting my husband? My lord, you're succeeded in killing your husband, and you think you can talk to my husband the way you like? No! You can do that! He's my lord, you now talk to him anyhow you like. Are you crazy or something? Have you lost your mind?
Doris, I can see you've lost it. Coming to me like a mad dog that you are, talking to me anyhow. Be mindful of what you said to me, else you'll see what I'll do to you.
Am I the one you're talking to?
No. I am talking to your mother at your back.
Mace! Get her!
If I see anything, come on!
You know who I am?
Stop that nonsense!
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Are you stupid? You think you can talk to me like that and go free? You're stupid!
How dare you? Is it because you people are how many? Is that the reason you are here? If you are one, if it's only you, will you try it?
Only who?
I am only resting something. If you try it next time, you will see what I will do to you.
I'm a fighter.
Mad dog.
You don't know me. You are mad.
Okay,
shameless.
you owe me one. There is no problem. You can defeat me today because you are many. But you owe me one. And let me remind you that he who fights and run away lives to fight tomorrow. You will see me.
Grace, don't get me angry. Because if you get me angry, I wanted the mace to beat you up like a child.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do more than a hanging towel. You owe me one. You will see me.
You don't know.
You will see me. I will get back to you. You will see what I will do to you.
You owe me. You don't know who I am. I was a fighter before I become a queen. I was a fighter. Nonsense. Let's go. Rubbish woman.
Anything for you. They call me Bukasi. You know why? Because I got it all. Don't worry yourself,
my love, you get the way when you make my body day happy. I love you, Ebuka.
I love you too, baby. Don't worry yourself, If I reach village, if I go back village like this, I will say my father plus of plan, carry the money, come hand over to you.
You mean this the way you talk? I love you, Ebuka.
I will do anything for you.
Thank you,
anything.
Hey. I trust you. I know what you.
Hey! Jesus, I beg. Jesus, I beg, don't kill me.
Ebuka.
Jesus, I go explain.
Ebuka, you got me pregnant. And you ran away, Ebuka.
Oh, Jesus, I go explain it happen. Don't be so angry what happened like that. Jesus, I don't know this.
You deserve to die, Ebuka.
I beg.
You deserve to die.
Jesus, I beg, no kill me. I go. Jesus.
I am here to fulfill the promise I made to my friend Igwe Declan.
Yes.
He instructed me to do that in the presence of his kinsmen, and I am happy. Do you know who is here?
I am here. From all you have said earlier, it is very clear that Lolo and his son killed our king.
What do you mean?
How dare you say that?
What do you mean?
Let's proceed.
He also gave me this ring before he passed on, that I should hand it over to the rightful owners. Their father gave this sacred ring to his father in exchange for a parcel of land, so that the polygamist can build hot for his multiple wives. It might also interest you to know that Prince Afamea is not his biological son.
What do you mean?
His father is Ezechiel, the chief priest.
What do you mean?
That means he is a son of a native doctor.
Ezechiel.
What do you mean?
Ask your mother.
Yes. Mom, who is my father? Mom, who is my father? Who is my father? Who is my father?
Open your mouth and speak, you devil.
Who is my father?
Is it?
Hi.
Hello. Hey. He also said that he overheard Ezechiel and his wife planning to crown Prince Afamea as the next king after his reign.
Huh.
You see? That is why he gave me this ring. Because an illegitimate son cannot wear the sacred ring of royalty.
Yes, and they cannot mount the throne.
Your Majesty, so who are the real owners of the ring?
I know the story. It's not fallacy. I also know who the next king will be.
And who is this person?
Okonkwo.
Yes, Okonkwo. That's what he called his name. Come. Oh no.
Thank you. Onyubero. Yalacha.
It's also important for you to note that the late Iwe has willed the whole palace and his entire empire to the new Iwe.
Oh yes.
The gods are wise.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
What is really happening to me? Why is it that things are falling apart where I am? A whole me that has been in control of everything. Just imagine. My husband willed everything to Okonkwo's family. When I'm there, and my son is also there, they ripped me of everything. Imagine Doris. Doris came to my own house, my palace, with her maidens, and they fought me. For what? What is really going on? Why? I cannot be in a river and soap will enter my eyes. What do I do now? Who do I meet? Yes, Ezechi. Ezechi is the answer. I have to meet Ezechi immediately. I know he will have a solution. Let me go to him. Ezechi. Ezechi. Ezechi Sobudio. There is trouble. Ezechi. Ezechi. Ezechi, where are you? Hey! Ezechi. Ezechi. This is the time I need you more than any other time. I need your protection over me and over our son. Ezechi, where are you? You cannot leave now. This is the time I need you most, Ezechi. Ezechi, where are you? Ezechi! Hey! Somebody will go mad. Ezechi! Hey! somebody for. Who will help me? Hey! F1! I'm warm! F1 more! Hey! Where can SH be? Who will help me? Shimo! Where can I see SH? Where can he be? There is problem, oh! Hey! Where can I see SH? No, this is not happening. SH! Is it fainting that you fainted? SH! SH! SH, you must wake up. SH, you cannot leave our son. There is a big problem. It's only you that can save us this time around. You have the solution. SH, you have to wake up. SH, you have to... SH, you have to wake up. Hey! 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 Chima! Hey! Who told you? SH, please wake up. Hey! Chima! Hey! 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 Hey!
My baby, don't you think we should go out and have some delicious food? So, Jesus.
What?
Jesus.
What is?
What is? I can explain, please.
What is going on here?
Babe, I can explain, please. Please, I'm sorry.
Explain what? A savage. So this is who you are.
No,
What's going on here? Babe, who is she? Upon everything I did for you, my husband is at home now, dead, all because of you.
Please.
I gave you everything you needed. I gave you 25 million. Whatever you asked me for, I gave it to you. So you have the guts, the impetus to cheat on me? Oh my God, this is who you are. Babe, I warned you.
Babe, please.
Remember, I warned you.
It's not what you think.
Who is she?
Babe, it's not what you think. Please.
Who is she? You're calling an old woman.
Sorry,
Babe, what have you done? Babe, wake up. Babe, what? Babe, wake up. What have you done? Babe, please wake up. Babe, please wake up.
Ezechi, what is that, Ezechi? What is it?
Ezechi, come out.
Evil man, where are you? Check.
Come out here, Ezechi.
Evil man, where are you, Ezechi? What is he?
Ezechi is not inside, though.
He's not inside. He must have run away. Ezechi! Ezechi, I told you that the gods have left you. Come out, your secrets have been revealed. Fake Ezemo, come out. Come out, let me speak to you face to face. You are not only an evil man, but you're also an adulterer. Come out. Come out, Ezechi.
Ezechi, come out here.
I'll get you. And I will say it to you face to face. Powerless man. Let's go.
Evil man.
Let's go. Fake Ezemo. This is unacceptable.
It's not acceptable.
It cannot be accepted.
Why should he do that kind of thing?
How can he continue to do something like that? This is bad.
Very bad.
Such a very bad thing. He killed his own daughter and buried her in a shallow grave. This man is evil. Very demonic.
What are you talking? I used to say this, but no one listened to me. He has left what he's supposed to be doing for the people. I believe he's on the run. He killed his own daughter.
Yes. He killed her because she was pregnant for the cousin brother Ebuka. Even Ebuka is on the run.
All right. Let's go to the palace and report to them what we saw.
Yes. We should go. Hi! Chai!
I can't believe it.
It shall never be well with him.
I can't believe it. Ezechi should thank the God that we did not meet him at home. If we had met him at home,
Yes, he's very lucky. Because how can a man continue to be...
Hey!
Look at the evil man! You see, you carried your evil. You have even destroyed my sander. Ezechi, evil man! I told you that the gods have left you. And whoever the gods have left dies like chicken. Look at the way you have died like chicken.
This is always the ways of evil men. That is it. Ana agwanti manti anoring. Ebu isi, ebu koronti.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Let the gods deal with him the way he's going. Can't you also? Evil man.
You, go and make sure that my car is ready. Just clean it up. I'm in a hurry. I want to go somewhere. Are you not hearing me? Is it not you I'm talking to? Why are you standing like a statue? Go and do what I asked you to do. Go and make sure that the car is ready. Why is it that I'm talking to both of you and you are ignoring me? What is going on here?
Mom, what is it?
Can you just imagine this local urchins? I'm talking to them and they are just ignoring me, standing like statues.
Are you not the one my mom is talking to?
Imagine.
Are you not the one my mom is talking to?
Son, just hold on.
What is it?
Forget about these people. They are not important right now. There is fire on the mountain.
Fire on the mountain?
Yes, we need to leave here immediately.
Why?
No time for question.
No, Mom, what is all this now? What is the meaning of all this?
Do exactly what I asked you to do.
What happened? Talk to me, what happened?
You people should do what I asked you to do.
Mom, what is it? Talk to me, what is it?
We need to leave immediately. After I will explain to you.
Mom, I'm done. I'm tired of this nonsense.
What?
I'm tired of this nonsense. What is all this?
Why this noise? Huh? Why are you disturbing the palace? Woman, do you know that you are no more needed in this palace?
You lie, Onowu. Do not tell me that nonsense. What right have you to tell me, instruct me?
Because he's the new.
Which Onowu? I did not ask for you.
This is the new king, the king-elect.
Onowu, shut down your mouth. Onowu, how dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you insane? What is this? Are you insane?
I gave you order to.
Why would you talk to my mother like that? Are you mad?
What is this mad? Who is the new king?
Now leave this place.
Out of yourself.
Leave this place.
You people should get out.
Leave my
Get out of here. What is me?
Oh no, the chief priest is dead.
Dead?
Yes, he's dead.
That shoots him right.
Yes.
He is an evil chief priest.
Now leave my palace.
Dead.
All of you should get out of here. You're talking nonsense. Get out. Get out. Walk out.
Leave my palace. Are you mad? Leave my palace.
Get out. Get out of here.
Now leave my palace.
Get out.
Leave my palace.
Leave yourself. Get out. Go. Get out. Look at you.
Leave my palace.
Come on. What? Yes. Yes. Look at them. Look at the population. Why? For what? What is why are you pushing me alone? This is the new king. This is the new king. Shoot one. Look at the population.
You want to shoot me?
I will get back to shoot all of you. I will get on the end. The end. I will deal with you. All of you. I must deal with you. You will see. I am coming back to deal with you. I will deal with you. Hey, officer, don't push me. Don't push me. You will see. I will deal with you. This is not the end of it.
No.
Mama, Ebuka impregnated Chisom. How?
Chisom confessed everything to us. That is why I used to tell your father that no harm will come to Nene, my daughter. Because she is from my great-grandmother, from my father's side though. She used to be a sorcerer, a magician, a very strong woman. She reincarnated. You got to go. Oh, what if you don't enjoy me? Oh,
Mama, you get wetin Obiora tell me just now.
What is it?
Obiora say in a prince.
Prince?
Prince from which land?
Oh, he was saying, he said he's a prince.
Who dash monkey banana? Which prince?
Prince, you know, they are hazy. They will just wake up and become prince.
Prince.
Please. Wait. Chikaima, just relax. Huh? There is something I've been willing to tell you all this while. And I think you deserve to know the truth.
What's it be that?
Chikaima, I'm a prince. I came from a royal family.
How?
I am the son of King Williams. I have to leave now. I have to sort out some things. I'll see you later.
Mama? Mama?
Anyway, Ned, your husband is at the palace. He requests your presence. You and your children. Your presence is needed now.
Wait.
Yes. Follow me.
I hope anything never happened to Papa. I go keep person.
Don't worry. Just follow me.
I am as surprised as you are.
My daughter and your family, calm down. This man is here, Okonkwo Ferdinand, is our new Igwe elect of this great kingdom.
That was why I was asked to call you.
My friend Igwe Declan instructed me to hand over the ring of royalty to you as the next king of our kingdom.
Congratulations!
The Igwe elect of Umago Kingdom.
Congrats! Obiora, what did happen for you? So truly you are a prince?
Come over here, my son. And this must be the one you must have been telling me about.
Yes, Father. Her name is Chikaima.
Greetings, sir.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Same here, sir.
Chikaima. I told you earlier that I am a prince. And this is my father, King Williams. Yes, I disguised myself as a copper just to search true love. And I found you. I am happy about it. And this is Fabian, my cousin brother.
I know Fabian, eh?
He's not a prince. I'm sorry this might come as a shock to you. I planned everything just to know and see if you could fall.
Obiora, you plan him?
I did, but you don't hit royals.
Sorry.
Come here.
Uche!
Your union will be fruitful.
Yes, sir.
You will be a male and female for your husband. Your reign will be greater than your father's reign. Have I spoken your mind?
Oh, yes, you have spoken well.
You are blessed, my daughter. You are blessed, my son. You may now rise. Ngwa, ofu, mbo.
Chikaima no dey fear anybody, oh. Chikaima no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. CHIKAIMA no send your papa. Yeah. She say fearless maiden. Yo. CHIKAIMA no dey fear anybody. Yo. CHIKAIMA no nonsense. Girl, no. Yeah. CHIKAIMA no send your papa. Yeah. She say fearless maiden. Yo. Jibri da brido bro. Yeah. Yo. Hey. Yeah. Her own day, her body, wahala no